A California woman applying for U.S. citizenship had her application denied because immigration officials refused to recognize her secular beliefs. Her name's Adriana Ramirez, and she says that she objected to the pledge to bear arms due to her sincerely held moral convictions, but her conscientious objector status was rejected because it was based on secular rather than religious beliefs. Now, attorneys from the American Humanist Association say that immigration officials violated constitutional protections in denying the application. And they say, given the Supreme Court's unequivocal instruction that to be consistent with the Constitution, the government must interpret a statute permitting conscientious objection on the basis of religious belief to include comparable secular moral views. In other words, if in order to obtain conscientious objector status to something, you are allowed to do that based on religious beliefs, if you have similar moral convictions based on a-religious beliefs, it must also be allowed. Miller from the American Humanist Association says that there is no legal basis at all to deny citizenship because their ethical values are secular. This happened once before, and it was ultimately overturned. And during the application process, applicants are allowed to express any objections that they may have to warfare, which is connected to this pledge to bear arms that you take when you become a naturalized citizen. It makes it an optional part. And apparently, this immigration official didn't like it that Adriana Ramirez said, no, I object to warfare, but it has nothing to do with religion. And this really made me think of the following question. If U.S.-born citizens who are citizens by birth rather than by naturalization were asked today to take the oath to unconditionally bear arms if called upon to do so, how many actually would? I think there are millions and millions of people in this country who, for non-religious beliefs, would say they are conscientious objectors to that.
Right. I think most people who object to something like that do not do it because of religious beliefs. They probably do it just because they are nonviolent or don't believe in the cause or don't believe in shooting someone else, which is pretty common.
I think ultimately this is going to be overturned and Adriana Ramirez will have no problem at all.